Good morning. I have a small haul to share with you today, and I went to officesupply.com. Ginger Bush had shown it from Ginger's Corner, and anyhow, she had bought I don't know how many things from 49 and Market, but I looked those up and then I kind of looked up some other stuff. So all the things that they have were about $1 less, with the exception of this. The 12 by 12 kit was $2 less. I think this was maybe $1 or $2 less. These things were like $1 less, and then plus you got 15% off. So I bought the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Berry Fields Brads, because I had wanted those. I didn't get their whole kit. I bought a peachy cheap, well, a purchase, whatever, what do they call it? Peach cheap deal. And then I matched things to go. I just pulled things from my stash to go with it. And I'll put that down below, so if you want to see that. So now I have brads to go with that because I just love brads. I'm totally into them. And then, you know how it's like you're always running out of letters, so anytime I can find a good deal on letters, I'm in. So I bought these Color Vibe, and they're just considered red, but they are a perfect red. I love them. And now, Ginger's favorite color is red. She loves red and brown together. I gotta tell you, my favorite color is blue, but red runs a really close second. And then I bought these. They're called Vintage Cream, and they are Simple Vintage Essentials, and they look like they have printing on them, a little bit of a grid. They're a really neat color. And then these turquoise ones, and I think I might have some of these. Now they do look like they've been nipped on, like somebody was nibbling on them, so they're not quite perfect. I will have to let them know. I just got this in the mail. So, and these ones are just foam, and these are just foam, and these are called, oh, did I tell you, this is Robin Egg, and it's kind of a turquoisey blue. It's not blue. Okay, and actually it looks a little more green to me than blue. And this is called Warm White. It's also a foam. I see there is a nick in one of these, but the rest all look good. And these ones are just foam, and they look good. That's good because I love them. They're awesome color. And they would go great with this collection. Well, actually, probably just about all this. Well, this isn't quite right for it, but the other ones would go good with it. Okay, and it would also go good with this. So here is this collection. If you haven't seen it, I've only seen it online, so I'm kind of excited to see it. I don't remember if Ginger got this one or if she just, there was another kit that came with a bunch of laser cuts and everything, so that would have been really nice. Okay, I'm gonna try to fit this all on the screen. So these are cut aparts. I'll be playing with cutting those apart later, which I think is just as fun as scrapbooking. I don't know why. And here's a floral. And then this is kind of like a Granny Smith green, the apple. And then this one here, and it's got writing on it, very pretty reds. It's almost like a, I want to say like a really dark strawberry. And this one here, it's, I guess it's all going to be fruits to me. We have apple green and strawberry, 2 shades of strawberry, or maybe watermelon. Very pretty. And this side here, this is more watermelon. Okay, and again with the apple green. And when you get apples that are organic and nothing on them, they're actually, this is really super dark coating on them sometimes. Okay, and then, yeah, kind of all the same colors, really pretty. I really like this with this just shades of apple green. Really pretty. And this one here, is there, I think there's just one of each color. I think so. Very pretty. Oh, and this looks like that. Yeah, I really like that. I like the printing on it and then just the colors. And this is very pretty. Again, those beautiful shades, colors. Ooh, that's really pretty. And this here with the butterflies and all those. So our colors are basically greens and reds. I knew it was a lot of reds when, you know, from looking at them, but I didn't realize how much you'd see the green in. That's really pretty. It's really pretty green. So that's it, and there is 8 double-sided papers. And then I bought this kit, and it's called a cluster kit. It comes in this amazing envelope. I was really surprised to see the envelope. I've never seen one of these kits, unless I've seen it like just looking at it online, I guess. Okay, so it comes with these little bits and pieces, and this is to make the clusters that are probably shown here. So you get red and pink buttons. I have to say these are the colors. I've kind of collected a few of those, which is, it's like it's hard to find red buttons. And then these little pink clips, and those are cute. And here's some twine, and it is super thick, very pretty. And then there's one, oh, an elastic band. So if you wanted to make an album or put it into your, maybe make something for your planner. Okay, and so here's the cluster kit. So these are all cut aparts here. And oh, and these are punch outs. Are they, yeah, they're laser cut, because you can tell when they got the brown around them, right? I mean, that's kind of what I go by, till they're cut by a laser. And so all the little pieces, gorgeous. You know how I love postage, something about it. I like tickets. I like tags. Oh my gosh, I just love scrapbook embellishments. The truth be told, I like it all. And I love all these little weird pieces that come with it that you can tuck in. I love how that always looks. Okay, and then more tags and tickets and postage. Love that. These are cute. And so those, so we have 2 full sheets of laser cuts. What do we have here? Oh, okay, and chipboard pieces. And then these cut aparts. So it looks like everything is here. Oh, where's my original? Oh, back here. Looks like everything is here to make this. And so there's enough pieces to replicate the clusters to make your own. Extra pieces included from the images shown. So you get everything to make this plus extras. And I know that they are not stingy with their embellishments, which I love that. Okay, so that's it. Oh, nope, I lied. I also bought this because I've never had one. And this is called a sticker washi, or washi stickers. So I hadn't had one before, so I thought I would like to try it, see what it's like. You know, like when you get a deal on something, it's kind of nice to try something different. So I wanted to do that. And I will put the, whoops, that one wants to pull off and I don't want it to, because I want to hoard every single one, but I will use them, you know that. Okay, and I want to be able to use every single one. I don't want to lose one in the process. Okay, so it looks like I just got to be really careful. Okay, so I got that off. I'm gonna stick that on there. Okay, so these are all stickers and they're washi stickers, so they come off, and I guess it'd be kind of, I mean, they look almost like a rub-on because they're so transparent. Here, let me see if I can pull one off so you can just kind of see what it looks like. Okay, so, oh yeah, so here it's clear behind. Can you see that? Let me see if I can stick a piece of paper back here. So you can see it's clear behind there, and then it's like frosted, and I don't know how many you get. I know that it tells the feet because I look every time. It's like, oh, what do you get with that whenever I see it? Okay, so here's one section. There's two sections. So you get several sections. So I mean, I'm at 3 and I still got, so I'm thinking that there's quite a few stickers in all. Does it say how many stickers there are? One roll, 5 millimeters, which means nothing to me. Maybe it's 5, no, it's not 5 miles because it would have said M-I-L, right? It does not say how many there are, but if I figure it out, I will let you know. But yes, very pretty, very pretty. And I think they will be more like, you know, if you use them on the page, they're going to be a little bit transparent, I think. I'll try to figure out something to do on this with this collection in the next couple of days, so we can kind of see how these are, because I'm interested, but you know, I don't want to waste them because I want to use everything I have to make beautiful things, as Heidi Swapp would say. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.